Welcome, this is KOK Party Favors. We're going to be designing a Rice Krispie Treat wrapper in Canva. I have my template pulled up. I'm going to click and delete certain elements of the template I'm not going to be using in this design. So the original I'm removing, the net weight I'm removing, and the crispy marshmallow treats I'm removing that. Okay, so I'm going to first go and change the color. I'm going to be making a circus theme, so I'm going to be using red as my background. And I'm going to go to uploads where I pulled in a lot of my circus theme art. And I am going to bring in the circus tent. And I'm going to size it down. And I'm going to pull in this juggling clown. I'm going to pull him in. Okay. And for the treats part, I am going to edit that. I'm going to change Rice to the name of the party, the birthday guest of honor. So her name is Donna. So I'm going to put Donna's Crispy Treats. And I'm going to widen it so we can get that to stay at 2 lines of text. Okay, and when you design, I want you to remember to try not to design on the edges because that is where you will be folding. Okay, so try not to design on the edges. For the name, I am going to use yellow. Try this yellow and the gold. Okay, I'm going to use the gold. So it says Donna's Crispy Treats. I have that in gold. But thank you for coming. I'm also going to change that color to gold. Okay. And another thing too, if you want to put the age, you can, add the age on there. It doesn't really matter. Just whatever elements you want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and add the age here. And I'm going to change that color to the gold. And I'm going to also change the font. Okay. And I want to move that up here. Let's see, where could I put it? Okay, I'll put the 6 there. I was thinking about trying to put it somewhere on the clown, but it doesn't matter. Just put the 6 in there. Okay. I think I want to add a shape because I think that 6 would look better being highlighted just a little bit more. So I'm going to put the 6 here in this circle. And I'm going to make this circle, since we have red and white. Let's see what color I want to make this circle. I'm going to make the circle red. Okay, I have to pick the square, I'm sorry. Now, there's the red. And I'm going to take the 6 and move it on top of there. Okay. Okay, and this is going to be our design, guys. Okay. So this is the end of designing in Canva the Rice Krispie Treat wrapper. And please like, share, comment, subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.